Mom!
What?
Why did you take it?
I bought it.
I thought you were not eating.
No, I won't. Somebody's knocking. Come in! Ah, Jerry! Jerry, how are you?
I'm fine, ma. Hello,
please sit down. Join us, please.
Oh, thank you, ma. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, how is business?
Business is fine. We thank God. We're pushing.
Yeah.
We can't complain.
You're sure you don't want to join us?
No. I'm good. I'm good. This is what I came to give to you.
He told us you're coming. Don't mind the kitchen.
Yeah, he called me, actually. It's 100K.
Ew. IK, you forgot this IK. Oh, God will continue to bless IK for us. IK, he's always sending us money. Oh! You know, Kechi is not doing anything. She's not working. She's still doing her masters. Everything is on IK.
Mama, there's time for everything.
Thank you.
You have to say that.
He knows.
Mama, I have to start going so I can beat traffic.
Yeah, no, you have tried.
Okay, well, let me...
Get up, Nga. Let's see him off.
Are you sure it's...
Let's just be going. Let's. Hey, Enokwa, IK. Nkechi, Hey, thank you. Jerry, please don't make me laugh. Hey.
Thank you, okay?
You have really tried.
It's not a problem.
Hey. Chimo. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
No problem.
Chuku gozelumge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, ma.
Okay.
Bye, Nkechi.
Okay then. Nga, bye. Yeah. Izubo mwadi.
But Mama, did you have to tell him about my life? He didn't even ask you to.
Huh? What did you say? You better do and go to the market so we can cook. Do you have to tell her and tell him everything about my life? Hey! Are you okay?
Very okay, ma. Very okay, ma.
The car is going back.
Yes, it's intentional. I put reverse, ma.
Are you sure there is fuel in this car?
Full tank. Oh, there's always full tank in my cars.
Tank. Mama, let's go back home.
You're sure you're okay?
And your glass is down. Oh, okay.
Bye-bye. Okay. Come on, go to the market, Biko. Hey! Jerry. He's a very nice guy.
How did you get in here?
I still have a key, remember?
That's not an answer, Ada.
Jerry, we need to talk. Now.
Okay, that's it. I'm stressed.
We have to talk!
See, whatever anger is on your mind, Is that the reason why you switched off your phone all through the weekend?
Yes, because I was angry with you, and I am still angry with you.
You walked out on me right in the middle of Tunde's reception. Are you aware of that? And then you switched off your phone all through the weekend, and right now you are here getting angry at me. Does that make sense to you? What is wrong with you?
No, the question is, what is wrong with you? I walked out of Tunde's wedding because you were all flirting with that girl who was sitting next to you. She was all over you, and you didn't even care that I was sitting right there.
That girl was my classmate back in the day. You're letting assumption eat you up.
Yes, just as you're letting too much flirting with your classmates not let you plan your wedding with me. I'm sick and tired of all this journey that doesn't seem to be going anywhere. I'm seriously tired.
Wow. That's it? Fine. I'm going to relieve you of all that. I'm done. I quit. Find happiness elsewhere. It's getting too much.
Sorry, Jerry. Please.
You see? This is how it ends whenever you accuse me of flirting.
I was jealous.
Jealous? Why? We've been dating for like over a year and you still don't trust me? What if we get married?
Yeah, but we're not married. I mean, you won't even propose.
Oh, that's it. Get up. Get up. Stop pretending.
Also, you don't want to marry me?
Of course I want to marry you. Do you need a prophet to tell you that? What?
Sorry. I can hear you laughing on the inside.
That's not funny.
You laughed. I'm sorry.
Why do you always have to get under my skin and then crack a joke?
No, I'm sorry. It's just my insecurities always gets the better of me, and then I just hate seeing all the girls gumming themselves all over you.
Look at me. No girl gums herself all over me.
They do.
They don't. See, come on.
Okay. Look, the plan was to have a great Saturday evening with you.
But you didn't trust me. You spoke
I
it.
know. Okay, so now can we have a great Saturday evening thing?
Okay.
What's on your mind?
We could plan a wedding if we want. But my car is giving me serious issues. So I'm thinking of getting a new car and then we can save up for the wedding.
But it still gets you back and forth, so why don't we just use what we have now to plan a wedding? A small wedding.
But that we could be patient for like another 6 months. Okay? Please, okay? Let me just get this new car.
No.
Huh?
What do you have?
Okay, I don't understand.
How much do you have in your account?
How much?
Yeah, how much do you have in your account?
All right. I have 550,000. That's besides fuel, food, and miscellaneous.
Mm-hmm.
It was 650K until I gave my friend 100K, and he promised to pay back with interest.
Okay, so when is he going to pay back? Or is it a she? Okay, yeah, I mean a he.
He'll pay back soon. He's my friend.
Okay, let's do this. I would add my savings to yours, and then we can just plan a small wedding. We can pull it off.
You add how much?
500,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. But even with that, it still won't be enough.
We'll just manage what we have. You know, like spend within our means, and then it should be enough for like traditional rites, and then to have a small church blessing and a small reception with just a few people.
Ada, can you just wait? Let me get in your car, please. All right, fine. Fine, let's plan a wedding.
I'm on my way to become a man.
Wow, that is so pretty. You don't have to buy it or just rent.
Really? Wow, they look brand new. Wait, who is this lady?
Jennifer, she owns a big bridal shop in Abuja. Don't worry, she's my very good friend.
Yeah, she's going to give us good deals.
Before, she won't give us accessories.
Wow.
So which one do you want to rent?
This one, yeah. Or these, either of these, if this one is not available.
What date is your wedding again?
In 2 months. The last Saturday.
Oh, that's perfect.
Please.
It will give me enough time to get you an affordable venue. Okay, Jennifer will bring in her cooking skills. Jennifer would also take care of photography. Jennifer would yeah.
Wait, no. Is it the same Jennifer who's doing everything? That's too much.
No, babes. No. Sorry. There's Jennifer catering, there's Jennifer bridal, and then there's Jennifer camera babe. It's just a coincidence.
Okay, so many Jennifers.
Babe, trust me now.
Yeah, sure.
I would make sure you have the best wedding ever. Okay.
Thank you.
What would you want to remember? What would you want to remember from your wedding? What's that one moment that you really...
That I got married.
Yes, and...
I don't know, what else?
Colors, flowers...
Yeah, babes, that's why you're here.
Blend the colors. Pick a color. Just make sure my wedding doesn't look like a sad movie.
Fine, I got you. I'll do that.
Cool.
I'll send you the quotation before nightfall.
All right, cool.
Let me go get to work.
Okay.
Hi, babe. What's up?
Ify,
Hey!
why are you standing up? Are you leaving?
I'm leaving, yes.
Welcome.
Okay. All right. So see you then.
All right, bye.
I'll walk her. See you
right.
soon. Okay, so you were saying about the...
Yeah.
Ouch. Sorry. That was a good meeting.
I just even remembered something. What was that your ex you told me was trying to come back? Have
Tony.
you dealt with it?
I told him to back off.
Just back off. He was just trying to kiss you 2 weeks ago.
Come on, Ify. That was over 2 months ago.
Babe, see, I just want you to cut him off for good. I don't want my baby girl having issues after saying I do.
I know. Thank you. Thanks. But for real, Tony is a good guy. And we could have been married, but that guy lies more than politicians, and he flirts more than a dog. So, no, for real, it's true. So, no, I'm done. Forever.
Okay.
For real.
Later, let me go.
Take care, yeah? All right, so I'll expect the quotation.
All right, babe.
Bye. Hey. It was okay. She'll send her code later. Hey, babe, I have to go home tonight. Mom needs me.
When am I seeing you again?
In 2 days, I hope. Are you missing me already?
No. Miss you, call. I only miss the warmth your body gives me at night.
Flirt.
Talking about night, I had a dream last night.
About?
I had a baby.
Are you serious? Okay. The future is looking bright. I know. Go!
Hello, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming back.
How may I help you?
Please, can you lift me down to Lekki? I've been waiting so long.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
This door.
Yeah. Wow. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Yeah. Oh God. I've waited so long. Alright.
Change my energy, I don't get time for no enemy. To repay one later. Nothing with person never see, nothing with person never see. Forget it, I say fashi.
Okay.
That door is it's a technique to open it.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so
It's okay,
much.
ma. It's okay, ma. Let me get your bag for you.
Okay. That's good of you.
Alright.
Okay.
Those ones too?
Yes. I'm so grateful. It's good.
Okay.
And my box.
Careful.
That's my box.
Your purse.
Yes. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome, ma. You're welcome, ma.
How much do I pay you?
Oh, how much do you usually pay cab from that place to this place, ma?
I'll give you 5,000 plus tip.
No, don't worry, ma. It's okay. Just consider it a favor.
You don't want the money?
No, it's okay, ma. It's okay, ma. Just have a nice day, ma. Thank you. God bless you.
Wow. What's your name?
Oh, ma. I'm Jerry.
Wow. I'm Madam Julie.
My pleasure, ma.
May I know what you do for a living?
Okay, business and project management.
Wow, that's okay. I love networking with people like you. You are so honest and kind. Here is my card. Yeah. You can email me on that address.
Oh, okay. Fine.
Okay.
Thank you, ma.
Okay. Is that your card?
Yeah, this is my card.
Oh, let me have it. Okay. Thanks so much. All right. Thank you. Oh.
Big back like Nicki Minaj. Anytime when she turn around, she got me over on the low, on the low, on the low, on the low. Sweet love, all I need is one love. Give me some sweet love, sweet love. One love, yeah. Jojo ki jojo. Hey, make me know the
I'm just stepping in.
Oh, great. It's been a long day with my mom too. Old women have problems. I don't want to ever be old.
Come on, you know you have to be always there for them.
Yeah, I know. Have you had dinner?
Yeah, I did. I ate in the restaurant.
Okay, so if you send the quotation, I'll come with it tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Great. Good night, yeah. I'm tired.
You too, honey. Sweet dreams. Good night.
on the low, on the low, on the low. Sweet love, all I need is one love. Give me some sweet love, one love, one love. Yeah, Jojo ki Jojo.
not answering your phone?
Huh?
Why are you not answering your phone? Answer your phone.
Hello, Uncle.
Hello, Jerry. Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
My friend is coming back from Germany, eh? I'll give him some goods.
Okay.
Just manage it, share it, eh?
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Do you have 100,000 naira?
Yes. Why?
Yeah, go and give it to my parents. Go and give it to my parents. Okay.
Okay. Uncle, but you know that money is for my business, right?
Yes. Oh, I get my guy. My guy, I'm finished. I'm finished. Calm down. Talk to me. Calm down.
Tasha says she's not comfortable with me anymore.
Why?
I've been avoiding calls from home.
Why are you avoiding calls?
You know Jerry?
Jerry.
Back home.
Oh, Jerry, the one you said that has been sending money to your family.
Yes. I'm owing him a lot of money and he has been calling me. I'm not picking his call. Tasha think that I'm doing a dubious business.
Pay him, my guy.
I don't have money.
How can you say you don't have money when you work day and night?
I'm working day and night, but I'm paying my bills. When then I pay my bills?
This is serious. In 2 months' time, your permit will be out.
Yeah, Nadia.
See my brother. That's his wife. She's fine, Abby.
She's pretty, yes, sir.
White woman. We used to talk every day when you see her talking. Hey, good. You see this man here? Business partner. Hey, my brother is making money there. He sends us money every time.
People are enjoying, no?
Hey, now. It's easy to have brother in that country. See. See them play. Guess what? He is planning on taking me with him. Oh,
Wait, you're planning on going over there?
Yes, so soon. You'll miss me soon, Abi. Don't worry.
So tell me, how did the meeting go? Why were you not at the meeting? I was busy, that's why I didn't come. You're always busy. At least once in a while, you attend the meeting with the women. Okay, I will come. But tell me, how did it go? It was fine. Everybody's preparing for the burial. Yes. So who and who is going for the burial? Madam Cynthia is going. Mrs. Maduka is going. And most of the women are all also going. Is Linda going? That one. Yes, so she's going. Are we supposed to wear uniform for this meeting? Yeah. Yes. There will be uniform for the burial now. Wait. Which of the uniform now? Is it not burial? We have 2 uniforms now. Which one are we wearing? Or Stack or Opener? Opener is for wedding. Quick size for burial. When you will not attend meeting, you will be asking questions.
It's okay, Nkiri, it's okay. Nkechi, are you ready?
Yes, table is set.
Let's go to the table, please. Okay. Thank you.
Hey. Let me put this thing.
It looks delicious. Thank you. Please serve yourself. Hey. Yeah, it's coming.
What's that?
Ah, Jerry. You meet us well.
Hello.
I'm fine, ma.
Please sit down, please.
Greetings, everyone.
You're welcome. How are you?
I'm fine.
You meet us well, so join us.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Ngwa, give him plate. You meet us well and you're going to eat.
Mama, see, I am not hungry.
You will eat this food. If only you gave it.
I already ate, so I'm...
Just join us, eh?
I
Let me help.
I'm sure you know that.
I know. That is why you have to eat with us. Serve him.
Yes, so I'm on it.
Let me put the vegetable.
That's enough.
No. Put. Hey, Jerry He's a nice person. Well, let me put meat. God bless you. God bless you. Ngwa. Shall continue to chill? Until he is too. IK keep disturbing him. He's the one that IK is sending to us all the time. Send money to him, he will bring it to us. He will not even remove anything from it. God bless. God bless. Eat the meat now.
I just ate meat.
And put water, drink water.
It's Ike that sent me here again, man. This is the money.
If you go.
Oh, let me. Thank you.
If you get here. Hey, Ike. Agamamuru Ike. No, thank you. I'm traveling for burial. That's what this money is for.
Oh, okay. Safe journey.
Thank you, Nam. Thank you.
I have to leave now.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you, ma.
Have you taken water?
Drink water.
Please take water.
Don't be like this, just drink water.
Anybody that eats will drink water now. No, go to
That's okay. Are you sure?
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you. God bless you.
Jerry.
Bye.
Mama. I'm coming.
I told him about the burial, that I'm traveling for the burial, and he sent this money to me. Even though you don't even attend the meeting. Don't go there. You know, divine favor. I want that favor. Amen. Bless you. Thank you. Thank you. He's doing so well. He's doing very well over there. I'm happy for you.
Jerry! Just want to say thank you.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Come on.
What do you say we hang out one of these days?
Okay, why? Do you have an assignment?
Of course, no. I mean, we can actually hang out, go to a cool place. What do you think?
Are you single?
With a capital letter X.
Well, I'm not. With a capital letter N. I'm getting married very soon.
Okay. I have a boyfriend.
Oh, nice.
And
nice.
He's rich.
Oh, great. He's good for you. Thank you, Kechi.
Thank you, too.
Kechi, how far? Mama, day off.
You go upstairs, I beg.
Who you the first with? Okay, now your boyfriend with that. Oh. I don't know everything. Come on, day off,
Remember that guy I told you about on phone now?
Who's guy?
Jerry now, the one engaged, about to get married.
Jerry that I said you're in love with.
Yes.
You've not forgotten about this guy.
Forgotten? Do you forget people you love?
Well, you said this guy is about to get married.
You said about to get married. That doesn't mean he's gone,
See,
gone.
Babes,
Just
I don't know
married
what
now.
you're trying to do, but what you're trying to do is not right at all.
That's why you're my friend. To advise me on what to do now.
I should advise you.
Yes.
Forget about this guy.
What kind of friend are you now? I mean,
I'm telling you the truth. Forget about this guy because you only get disappointed.
Maybe it's just engagement. He's just engaged to the girl. That's all. I can actually do something now.
I can see your hopes are really high. Whatever you're going to have with this guy is called cheating.
But it's difficult to now.
Okay, so babe, we have to pay a fee for the IVs and then a deposit for my wedding dress.
How much is it?
100K. Yeah, I wanted to rent a dress, but now I changed my mind. I'm buying a brand new one.
Oh, fine then. Send it to her.
The money is in your account.
Oh, that's true. I forgot. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, cool. I'll send you her details just now.
Please do.
Okay. Copy, paste, send. Done.
I'll send.
Okay, what else? To do.
Done.
Have you got it? Okay.
I sent.
Alright, so I need to call her, let her know. So. Oh, there she is. Hi, Ify.
I just got the alert.
Great, so just get on with it immediately.
Yeah, but I need to see you.
You want us to meet today?
Jennifer sent some items I want you to see. Can I come first thing tomorrow morning?
Yeah, tomorrow's cool. Yeah, let's do tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, yeah, that's fine. Alright, cool, so see you tomorrow. Yeah, sure. Bye, and thank you.
Alright, bye.
Okay, so I didn't have plans to spend the night here, but now I have to because I have to meet Ify here in the morning.
Then spend the night.
I can't. I need to get home first.
Alright, just make a call.
Yep, but Mom sent me on an errand and I need to get some items across to her today.
Alright. See you later.
Yeah, cool. So I'll call you and I'll find out where you are. Okay?
Bye.
So babe, I met this guy who has a template for wedding IV. And I think using one of this will reduce the cost for pricing.
They're nice. And it's easy. I'll go with this. Color, look, feel.
Speaking of colors, I'm thinking the main colors for the venue should be
Purple. Yes! Nice! With blends of pink and white.
Okay,
Yeah.
that also works. That works.
We're so in sync.
Okay, and guess what? Jennifer sent some new pictures from France for your
Dresses.
and you definitely have to go with one of this.
Wow. Oh my God, this lady, she has beautiful eyes for beautiful dresses. Ooh. Oh wow, this is it. This one.
Let's see.
I promise, that one. That's it.
Okay.
That's the one.
It was between this one and another one. So
For you?
Yeah.
Look,
Like,
wait, this thing is working.
it's fine.
Hey.
I'm just gonna tell her. What?
So yesterday I get home and guess who's at my gate? Tony. On his knees. Begging, crying for me to take him back.
Drama king.
As in, I was this close from reporting him to the police.
Who else
As
saw
in,
him?
my brother. And you know how they already hate each other like ancient enemies.
Babe, to be honest, this is not me.
Look, babe, I still have old anger bottled up inside me against him. He should just not try me because... Anyway, moving on to other things. What have we not done, touched on?
Honest, I think we've done basically everything because you've picked your wedding dress, the color for
Guest
the
lists.
wedding,
Guest lists.
Please don't start. Don't start.
Don't start what? What do you mean don't start? Eh? What is wrong with you? You're not getting any younger.
How in the world did I know you were going to say that?
But that's the truth. Yes, you're beautiful. You're no longer 16.
I know, Mom. But please let me decide for myself. Please.
Ngwa, tell me. What about Jerry? Is he not good enough for you?
Mom.
What is Mom? Don't you like him?
Not really. He's not my level.
Oh, Diego. It's not your level. Didn't I see you the other day romancing him, touching him everywhere? There's nothing wrong if you get close to him. Two of you can date. Date and be forming degree holder.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
Wow.
How are you?
I'm fine. You look beautiful.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. You won't believe the dream I had last night.
Okay, tell me only if it's good.
I was in a dark room, all suited up for our wedding. Okay. And there was this bride in front of me whom I thought was you.
It wasn't me?
No, it wasn't you. It was someone else. But just relax, okay?
No, wait. You got married to someone else in your dream. Jerry, that's a bad dream. What have you been up to?
Calm down.
No, I'm not calming down. You don't understand the implications of dreams.
It was Ike's mom.
Ike? What Ike?
Ike, my uncle in Germany. You know I told you he sent me to deliver some money to his family, right? When I got there, I met his mom. She was eating, and she asked me to join her. I initially didn't want to join her, but eventually I did. I don't understand. There was just something not right about the whole thing, but it's just a dream.
Okay, wait, but did you tell this Ike's mother that you're planning your wedding?
I haven't. Of course, when the Ivy comes out, I'll take her to her. What now?
Nothing. I was just thinking about your dream.
Really? Are you offended?
No, why? I'm just pressed. Excuse me. Hey, Ify, what's up? I want to tell him.
Him who? Him what?
Jerry, I want to tell him about Tony.
Why?
I just need to get it off my chest, and I think Jerry deserves to know.
This is not the right time to do that. He could flare up.
Look, Tony can cause problems later, so I think I should tell him now.
And telling Jerry now is not. Just don't know. Talk about your marriage instead, all right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Did I really offend you with the dream?
No, it's... I'm wondering whether I should tell you what I wanted to tell you.
What?
About Tony.
Your ex?
Yes.
Is he dead?
No, he's not.
So what?
He's been pestering me. You know that thorn in the flesh kind of pestering? Yeah.
Yeah, he needs money.
No.
Then what?
He's been begging to get back with me.
Okay, are we supposed to be worried about him?
No, I'm done with him. And I told him that much to his face. I'm so close to calling the police on him if I ever see him near me.
No, that's bad. Sit down here. I'm your man. Today, tomorrow, and forever. I'll protect you till I die with my blood, with my wealth, with my sweat. Come on, he's too small. Don't you get it? I love you more than you know.
I know.
I'll kill for you.
Stop. Okay, I hear you. So babe, what would you like to have for dinner?
I want to take you to the room and show you.
Ah, stop! Okay, I suggest fries and chicken. And then maybe we can do that.
Be my fries and chicken.
Shut up.
Look at you. It's, I don't know. I like it when you smile. This guy is striking deals. Okay, let me check the guy he sends me. Something big is about to happen here. I'll give you details soon. Don't worry about the money I'm owing you. I'll pay you back in dollars. Bye. Uncle, pay me the money, I beg. This one, you're talking long story like this. He's calling me. Hello, Uncle.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you have money in your account?
Yes.
Go and withdraw 500,000 and give it to my parents. Hello? Hello? Are you still there?
I'm here.
Why are you keeping quiet?
Uncle, you know, I already gave them 500,000. You know, right? If I add this other one you're asking me to take to them now, it's going to be 1 million, right?
How much is $1 million in dollar?
Hey, Google. How much is $1 in Naira?
1 United States dollar equals 362 Nigerian Nairas and 50 kobas.
Add that 50 kobo on top. Hello?
Hello, Jerry. This is Nkechi. Hi.
Okay.
Got your number from my brother.
He told me.
So are you coming?
See, I cannot.
See you soon. Bye.
I said I cannot come now. Oh. Oh, God.
Come in. Jerry.
How are you?
I'm fine.
May I sit?
Yes.
All right. Where's your mom? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Where's my Shane? Please stop.
It's just...
Stop. What is wrong with the kitchen? What is it?
No, I like the smell of his perfume.
Have you offered him something? No, Mama, I'm okay, I'm fine. I brought this 500,000 for you.
Hey.
From Ike, yes.
500,000.
It's for the rent. We want to use it to pay rent.
Oh.
He knows now, don't you?
Well, I didn't.
My dear, our rent has expired and we don't like embarrassment.
Okay, but it's fine. I hope everything goes well.
Yeah, it will. And I hope this money is complete.
Why not? Of course, it's complete. 500K.
Thank you. You know, you normally bring the money ahead of time. Before I forget, I hope he normally gives you Bro, Ike, I hope he gives you something, send something to you as well.
Well, he will.
I trust Ike. I know he will be sending you something.
Yeah, Mama, I really have to leave now. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, Jerry, can I join you? I want to get something down the road.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I think I'm ready. I'm coming, okay?
Okay. Please calm down now. This is the end of the road. You don't understand?
You don't have to be like this.
I have a girlfriend. I told you, right? Try and calm down, please. No, please, try and calm down. I'm trying to do what you understand what I'm trying to say.
Who is this?
Sweetheart. No, that's Ike's sister.
This is what you do.
No, that's, you know Ike now. That's Ike's sister.
Who are you? Like, you didn't hear what
It's Ike's sister, and I told you now. What?
Calm down.
Please, just calm down, please. Sweetheart, please calm down. Just calm down. She will
calm down.
Calm down now. She will calm down.
My friend.
Wait, now she will calm down now.
Down.
So Ike's sister, stop this now. Why?
This is
why are you doing this? You are embarrassing me.
This is what you do.
Oh.
Get down. Get up.
No, Sweetheart, wait. Stop.
This is what you do. No.
See.
I should get out.
You get out.
Say I'm not touching you.
Hey, why are you doing this? It's Ike's sister, for God's sake.
Oh yeah, let's go. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
You two start going now. Start going, please.
You're challenging me.
No, please. She's not.
Who did you say this?
She's Ike's sister, please.
Who is
please.
Ike?
Ike now, my uncle in Germany.
This-
Please. I'll take God.
Leave this place.
You leave this place. No, please now. I'm begging you, please.
I should leave where?
Please now,
This
stop.
place. Leave.
Stop.
Is this your father's place?
Why you leave now?
Oh, you...
Stop! Adasi, you cannot keep embarrassing me. I have told you have to trust me. Just trust me. I swear on my life. I have nothing to do with that girl. She's Ike's younger sister. I only gave her a lift. She told me, she said, please, give me a lift down the road in front of her mom. I'm saying the truth.
I've heard.
Look me in the face and say that to me.
I've heard you, Mr. Lifter.
Ada, when you told me about your ex, I believed everything you said. You just have to start trusting me too.
What did you hear her call me a witch? That thing. That child.
That was because she was angry. You pulled her out of the car. You even slapped me.
Hey.
You were just...
Look,
That thing is not invited to my wedding.
It's our wedding, okay? But we really need to tackle this trust issue. Trust me, because as husband and wife, it cannot work. You know, right?
But you're allowed to have female friends, Abby?
Of course now. And you're also allowed to have male friends. It's a social world. See, just that when you have male friends, you cannot make any one of them your best friend.
Your friend, come out.
I'm your best friend, and you are my best friend. You know I love you.
Leave me alone.
I'm waiting for you to ask me what we're going to have for dinner.
No be only dinner. Only long thing.
Ask me what we have for dinner now. What we have. Mike, there's something I want to ask you.
Okay, I'm cool.
If somebody who is abroad is asking you to send money to his family, let me put it this way.
Okay.
I had a friend abroad who calls me once in a while to ask me to send money to his family, that's in Naira, that he's going to pay me back in dollars with interest. What's your take on that?
It sounds ridiculous. It sounds funny. This guy in abroad,
yes,
asking you to send money to his family,
yes,
here in the country,
yes,
with your own money,
yes.
Has he been sending money into your own account?
No. That's not an issue. That's not. See, it's okay. See, you know what? He's my uncle.
Okay, your uncle.
He's my uncle. He's someone I trust. Okay, and he's a big boy. He's rich. He's rich. You understand?
You trust him that much with money?
Yeah, I trust him. His family in Nigeria, they have issues. So once in a while, sometimes when they call him and probably he's busy with one of his big projects and all that, he'll just give me a phone call and say, okay, just go buy my family and just drop some money. I've been doing that. And I just want to run it by you and see what your take is on it.
Actually, personally, if you ask me, Paddy, I don't like the idea.
You know
what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't like it. But since you said he's your uncle.
He's my uncle.
Your uncle. You might roll with it, but from the looks of things, you don't like it. Why is he not sending the money directly to his family? Why is he getting you involved?
You know what? Let's just end this gist. He will send it.
Okay, you think so?
He's my uncle now. He will send it. Won't your uncle send to you?
Yeah, with money, bro.
My uncle.
Anything can happen.
It's okay. Your uncles are thieves now.
No, we'll have wicked uncles, yeah? Believe me, we'll have wicked uncles.
Hello, babe.
Hi, baby.
What's up?
Hi, groom-to-be. Hi, dear future husband. Check the calendar, babe. I'm so excited. 2 weeks to our big day. We are going to paint the skies with our love story. I'm so excited, babe. I'll be with you later in the day, okay? So we can just round everything else up. Mom's calling. See you later. Bye.
Oh, 2 weeks. What was I thinking? Oh, God. Let me call Ike.
Hello, Jerry. Why are you disturbing me with your calls? I'm in a meeting, very important meeting. I told you I will pay you in dollars. I will pay you your money in dollars. Meanwhile, do you have 50,000 naira? Right, good boy. Go and give it to Kechi right away. Okay. Hello, Kechi. Kedu? How's Mama? Good. Jerry is bringing 50,000 naira for you now. Yeah, make sure you take Mama to the hospital. Okay.
Respect is reciprocal, even though we don't say it's special. Anybody, we don't want to surgery. Anybody, we know they carry body. Knock on something, knock on something. Bala fele, knock on something. Anybody, we no want to surgery. Anybody, we know they carry body. Knock on something, knock on something. To bala fele, knock on something. Get together, make it shout. Big back, make it
Pick up your things and get out of my house. Pick up your stuff and leave my life. You are a cheat. You are a liar. Pack up and get out. I'm done with you. I am done. I am done. Pack up and get out.
Can I explain? Can I explain? He's my brother. I'm owing him. I'm owing him. He's calling me. Please, 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 can I explain? Please, 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 please.
Pick up your things
Please.
and get out of my house.
Please.
I'm going to phone the cops. Get out.
Please. It's not what you think. Let me explain to you, please.
Get out. I'm going to phone the cops. Get out. Get out of my life. Get out of my house. You are a liar and you are a cheat. Get out.
Can I explain?
Get out.
Can I explain?
Get out.
Please, can I
Get
explain?
out of my life. Get out.
Can I explain?
Get
please?
out. Get out.
Please.
Get out. Get out.
Tasha, please, can I explain to you? He's my brother.
Get out. I am done.
Big back, let me give me now. Anytime when she turn around,
My guy, calm down. It's not the end of the road. Take it easy. Where are you?
For 4 years. For 4 good years. I'm going back to Nigeria. Did I hear you say you are going back to Nigeria? Do you have 1 million naira to give to Jerry when you get to Nigeria?
You want to go there and disgrace yourself?
Remember, you promised him $3,000. Hey, yeah, it's $1. What am I want? Hey, yeah, drink up. What am I want? You a man. Where do I go from here?
My guy, calm down. You will stay here with us.
We roll together, we die together. Back. Who must show you love? Oh, you are never with us. We die here together. We die here together. You want to travel to Nigeria? Do you want to get money to travel?
It is just do you have money?
Come in, the door is open. You're cheating on my daughter. You are a cheat. Why?
No, Mama. I'm owing someone in Nigeria. My brother is busy calling me. And Tasha thinks that I'm cheating on her. I'm not cheating. Help me to beg Tasha. Please, Mama.
Okay. I don't know. I can't promise you anything. I'm going to talk to her and see what she says. All right?
Thank you, Mama.
What I can do. Tasha, he swears he's not cheating on you. He owes people money. His brother's been calling him from Nigeria and they want their money. Please give him another chance. Please, my child.
I don't believe him, Mom. Once I've seen him, twice I've seen him, thrice I've seen him. I've seen him. I'm done. I'm done. I don't want to do it anymore. I'm done.
Agnes, I'm sorry I've cried. She says she's done.
Tasha, please, please, Tasha. Please, Tasha.
Babe.
Babe, so...
How are you? Are you okay? Your body's warm.
I'm good. I didn't know that's better.
Okay, so,
Please, babe. Can we postpone our wedding?
What? Wait. What? Why?
Ada, please calm down. Just till 1 month later, please.
What in the whole freaking world are you saying? No, wait. The Ivy's already in ahead now this weekend, so guess. I paid for my dress and a number of other things. My parents are waiting for traditional rites and you're here speaking in tongues. Oh, wait. No, you spent the money, right?
I've not spent the money, Ada. Let me just explain to you, please.
Oh, no, wait. Also, the girl, that one. Is she now your girlfriend? Or are you interested in marrying her mother?
Stop, Ada, please. Stop. The wedding is still holding. All we have to do is just contact the graphic designer and he will change the dates on the IVs. That's all. Please, just give me 1 month, please.
I'm done with this.
What are you doing?
I'm leaving.
Let me explain to you, please. Ada, it's Ike. You see, Ike has been asking me to give him money. You know all those times he sends me to go to his family to give them money. You understand? He promised me he was going to refund to me in dollars. Please, I was so foolish. I thought he was going to pay back before today. See, I've been calling him and he's not been picking up.
Can you hear yourself? Can you hear what you're saying? You foolishly gambled away our wedding funds. I transferred my hard-earned 500k to you and you're here speaking.
I messed up, but
look, I'm done.
See, trust me, I will recoup.
You will get what you want. I'm done. There's no wedding, there's no me, there's no you. And I'm fine with it. Then I'm done with this.
I don't know what you do.
I'm leaving. I'm done.
My baby, are you okay?
I'm fine, Mom.
You wanna call him?
No, I'm fine, Mom. You shut the door on the way out, please.
Who is hitting the door like that now? Who is that?
Where is your mom?
Jerry.
Where is your mom? Where is your mother? See, if you don't pay, if I slap you, you will bleed shit. Look, Ike, your son is a scam. The money I saved with my sweat and my blood for my wedding, I gave it to you guys. You guys will eat it here in front of me. Take it to bed in front of me. Pay for this house in front of me. Pay for your masters in front of me. And yet you as dumb as the dumbest person I know in this life. And yet your son cannot give me my money. He promised me and he didn't give me my money. How am I going to wait? How am I going to wait? My fiancé thinks I'm a fool. He thinks I'm a failure because of your son.
But how can Ike be a scam now?
If I slap you, you will bleed shit. I called your son. I called a friend. He told me your son has been kicked out of his house. He's jobless. Ike is homeless. His wife kicked him out of the house. Yes, your son is useless. See, I give you 1 month. 1 month. If I don't see my money, I swear with my life and with my blood, you will rot in jail.
Mom, Jerry! Mommy. Ike is scam.
Ikechu. They've chased him out of the house.
Me, I don't believe her. How can Ike be a scam? See, if it's you now, your friend says you should be giving someone else your money, the family your money. Will you do it?
Ike is not that kind of person.
And he's talking about jail. Me, I'm not going to jail.
Chidikene! Are you saying all the money he has been bringing to us is his money? It's not from Ike.
I don't want to believe it.
Hey! I've never seen Jerry in this mood. And I believe him.
Mama, you believe him? I don't have work. He said 1 month to jail. Me, I'm not going no.
All the money he has been
I don't have
sending
work.
to us.
I don't know what to do.
What have I done? What have I done? What's going on? I have an uncle in Germany. He's always asking me to send him money. I've sent him everything. Trust me, at my wedding is just by the corner. I don't have a time. This guy scammed me. What have I done? This guy scammed me.
I understand what you're going through, but you need to calm down, my friend. You just need to calm down. Okay, uncle, take it easy. You can't be doing this in public. This is public. You can't be doing this in public.
What am I supposed to do?
Okay, just get into the car and let's sort this thing out. I'm telling you, we'll sort it out, okay? Calm down. Take it easy. Just take it easy, okay? Come on. Get in the car. Take it easy.
Hello?
Hello. Is that Jerry?
Yes, who's speaking?
It is me, Madam Julie.
Madam who?
The woman you gave a lift to Lekki the other day.
Oh. Sorry, ma. I remember.
No problem. You are a kind man. I have a project I want you to handle for me.
Okay, but I don't...
It is an estate project worth millions of dollars. A good man like you deserves to work with me, don't you think so? Hello? Hello, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you see me now? At the Oriental Hotels. I need to introduce you to my partners.
Yes, ma. I'll be on my way.
That's good of you. See you soon. Bye.
Hello?
Hello, Ify. It's me, Jerry.
I know. I haven't deleted your number after breaking my friend's heart.
You see, calm down. I did not break your friend's heart.
Oh, you placed it in the museum.
Wait first. See, how about making 50K in 5 minutes? Are you game?
You know I like the sound of money. What is it?
Yeah, that's it. Hey.
What, Jerry?
Please just rehearse it one more time.
Jerry, I already rehearsed it like 3 times.
I know. 4 is a balance.
Hello, Ada. I have a surprise for you. And you have to be blindfolded.
Bravo! Wait! Where's the blindfold?
Jerry, I don't have any blindfold. I'll use my handkerchief.
So strange. What are you up to? Ify. You bought a new car?
No.
Oh my goodness! You did? Congrats! What?
No, I didn't. He did.
Hello, babe.
You bought a new car with my money.
This is not your money. The wedding is still holding next week.
Did you win a lottery?
I'm not answering that. Is that why you slapped me? I expect you to give me a kiss for an apology. Again.
You're so funny. Come.
Are you...